Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Motherland India, respected chief guests, teachers, and all my lovely brothers and sisters. Wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. As we know, today is Independence Day. I, Sai Priya, and I feel proud as I have got an opportunity for speaking a few words on this special occasion. Today is 15th August and now we are celebrating 78th anniversary of Independence Day. We all know that independent is a word which is welcomed by all to be under someone is very unpleasant and painful. Like the animals and birds of the forest never intends to reside in a cave because all living beings from man to elephant intends to reside freely and independently from birth to death. By taking the chance of weakness and disunity, a lot of enemies occupied our country. At that time, we don't have any freedom to speak, work, eat, and drink. But these have become possible due to the supreme sacrifice of many freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Balpal, Jai Guru, Bhagat Singh, and so on. They dedicated their valuable lives for the freedom of Mother India. One of the prominent leaders, named Netaji, gave the slogan to give him blood and he would give independence. By listening this slogan, from young to old become mad for India's freedom. And the Britishers were forced to leave India by the way of Gandhiji's non-violence. And our India became independence in the midnight of 14th and 15th August in 1947 when the whole world was asleep. From that day, we have been celebrating this auspicious and memorable day in every year. Now we are free and we feel proud to be the citizens of independent India. So we should be promised that we must keep up the freedom and serve the poor up to the last drop of our body. I don't want to take any more time, but before completing my speech, I want to finish my speech with the finest quote of Charlie Chaplin. Life laughs at you when you are unhappy. Life laughs at you when you are unhappy. Life smiles at you when you are happy. But life salutes at you when you make others happy. Thank you to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.